talk to myself like every day. Hold up. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sydney, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more weekly vlogs. And be sure to also hit the like button and comment below to interact with me. And make sure you're following all my socials that was listed. Well, it's going to be listed in the description box, and it was in my intro. In this video, I will be showing you guys some things that I picked up off of Amazon, and I will be showing you guys how to do your eyebrows like me. No, just kidding. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my brows. And yeah, the new year is coming up, so I have a bunch of clients scheduled for this weekend. I had some clients today, but I didn't film. But I might film some clients that's coming either tomorrow or on Saturday, which is New Year's Eve. I had a big sale. Well, like discount on all my makeup looks. They were $45. So if you missed out, it's okay because I have some sales coming in January. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you're following my Instagram, my makeup Instagram, because I have my main page deactivated right now. So make sure you follow my main makeup page at beatsbysid_. So yeah, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Here I was showing you guys my background that I had just set up. And these are some lashes that I got off Amazon for my clients. They're like, you know, thick 3D full lashes because I don't like those thin lashes. And here's some beauty blenders that I picked up as well. I don't know why I'm holding the bag like that. And that's this Milk facial primer and some eye glitters for my dramatic girls that like glitter. And here is just this is actually a new palette that I seen on Amazon that I wanted to try out. Here are the shades, and I'm just gonna swatch the pink one so you guys can see how vibrant
5 hours later.
And here we are. As you can see, before I had my bonnet on, I was looking crazy, but I did my wig, so now I'm about to get into the brows. So I applied some Duo Lash Glue just to help make the brows last like longer than they normally would. It helps like glue them down essentially. But here I am just brushing that through with the spoolie. Okay, I was fake turned up in the in the last slide, but here I'm just filling in my brows with eyebrow pencil I got from the beauty splash store. Honestly, like this is just in like a medium brown shade. So I'm just outlining my brows from the tail all the way up until like the middle of the brow. So yeah. Now I'm just taking my concealers and I'm gonna start off by carving my bottom brow with the lightest concealer that I had on the little metal palette thing. And I'm gonna do the same with that brow. So remember to always drag your concealer, just as a little tip, just drag your concealer down to make it easier to blend. And I'm gonna follow the same steps with the top brow, just following like my natural shape. And yeah, now I'm gonna just blend out the concealer. You see how easy it is to just like blend it because I dragged it down with the little brush. So here I am just making a little thumbnail with the primer that I'm using. And here I am just applying the foundation with the beauty blender. Now I'm just blending out the concealer in my T-zone area, under my eyes, above my lips, on my nose. I didn't apply any on my forehead, but I did apply a little bit on my chin as well. Now I'm setting my under eyes with some air-spun translucent baking powder. And here I am contouring my cheekbones. And now I'm just going to contour along the sides of my nose. I was trying to set my nose, and yeah. So I'm just cleaning up the sides of where I was setting the concealer on my nose. And this is just a trick I learned. I like to clean up underneath my contour just to give it a more snatched look. And while you are baking your face, make sure you press the setting powder into your skin to avoid any flashback. And now I'm setting the sides of the contour on my nose just to give it a more clean look. Here I am just applying some eyeshadow underneath my eyes just to give my eyes a pop. I really don't like leaving it just like nothing there. I feel like it doesn't look complete that way, so I'm just taking some under eyeshadow and just applying that. Now I'm going ahead and adding some blush because I love like a bronze, like warm tone blushy look. So I went ahead and dusted away the powder, and now I'm just applying some lip gloss. I did add some brown lip liner before I applied the lip gloss, just as a heads up. And here's the finished look. I wasn't even supposed to film a full tutorial on this look, but I did anyways, so yeah. But it's New Year's Eve. I have 10 clients today. I just got back home. My first client is at 9 a.m., so I'm going to try to set the camera up for y'all so y'all can see me work. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so don't mind my wig. Like, I look crazy right now. But I'm waiting for my third client, and I'm cooking. So now I'm warming up the rest of my food from yesterday. Wow, I have like maybe 10 minutes to eat before my next two clients come. So yeah, yo. I'm over here trying to record. How do people do this? Okay, so here's one of my clients. I already went ahead and prepped her skin, so I'm just applying her foundation. Today's her birthday, and it's her first time, I think, getting her makeup done, so yeah. So here I'm just blending out her concealer and her T-zone area. And I'm just setting that concealer with some setting powder. Here is the finished look. She looks so pretty. Hey guys, so I just got done with my last client. It is 9:48 p.m. Yeah, these are the last hours of 2022, and yeah, I don't know. I guess I'm about to go to sleep. So now, I don't know what I'm about to do, but yeah. So yeah, I'm about to get in the shower and, pick out a little outfit, in case if I go somewhere. But yeah, 2022 actually was way better than 2021, I must say. I'm gonna just leave it at that because 2023, I'm gonna see. You're gonna see. Okay?